lip exploded in downtown Dallas. I mean, it went through a lot. When I got to the place I was headed, I get out the car, I'm like, something ain't right. Anyways, yeah, it's lip day. As you guys might also see, first mod to the house, got the doors painted again, so that's dope. But anyways, let me get inside, grab this lip, and see how it looks. It is hot, y'all. Like, it's freaking hot. Car's smelling good, got that good octane in it, can't complain. And it's like 80 degrees, and I'm in a sweatshirt, because it wasn't this hot when I left this morning. It still be cold mornings, but it's 80, y'all. So people be like, yo, Trav, why the heck you up and leave and go to Texas? I came for the weather, most importantly, and opportunity. But weather's beautiful. Car can be driven. Mods to be. Try this out. I'm gonna get there. Mods to be getting. That's wrong. Let's take two. Mods to be bought. Love mods. Poor lip. This is all I got. This is all that remains of the old lip. Can't wait to crack this open and check out this new lip. Anticipation is killing me. Oh yeah, new lip. Oh boy, oh boy, here it goes today. Sneak peek. I bought a second M3, guys. Brown, brown. JK. Greg is setting up the cameras because we're about to do some, I guess, damage. Yep. As you guys can see, the car looks very naked without a front lip. That's gonna change today. And I think Greg's only been here for like T-5 hours, 8 hours. He already pissing off the neighbors. We're getting our ass kicked out here with this bumper, guys. And I've killed like a bunch of these big ass beetles.
I can't even get the gloves on anymore. This is not good. Oh, there's another one.
Oh my god, they are fucking vibing. 21. Oh god. These things are crazy.
What up, squad? Oh, what's up? What up,
He is really on his back. Oh shit.
Oh my bad.
So it only took us like, what, an hour? Just because we couldn't figure out the best way to finesse it.
About like 15 minutes.
Yeah, once we figured it out, it only took us about 10 minutes. Got the bumper off and about to go take it inside, do the holes for the carbon fiber lip, take the wrap off, and tomorrow clean up some of the inside. And I might as well clean my filter probably since I have access to the filter. And yeah. Bumper for sale. Mint. Never seen rock chips. Alright, what's going on, guys? So we got the lip in the on the table. Just test fitted the carbon fiber. Jesus, I'm all over the place. Just test fitted the carbon fiber front lip that I obviously had to buy since you guys saw, well, today you saw in this video that I broke the previous one. I decided to try it up, mix it up a little bit, didn't go with the same one. It was a hard decision because I really liked the look of my old lip. But I did a little Instagram vote, and a lot of people were for the GTS or GT4 lip. I decided to be a little mild and go with the GTS lip because the GT4 lip looked like it was going to break in about 3 days after installation. So all in all, pretty excited to take the old wrap off, re-wrap it because it's been needing that, and then fit the carbon fiber lip. So we'll see how long this takes us. Halogens, them bad boys, the lights will warm your whole house up. But here is the lip, the bumper. Before we unwrap it, it's filthy. But you can see here, it's needing some love. Starts to peel here. And this was actually because this is where the lip was, so I never wrapped the bottom. It's actually really beat up. That's part of the reason why I wrapped it. So, yeah, let's freaking see if this is gonna be next to impossible to redo again or not. But well, this is definitely not quiet.
Well, this is Magnolia.
Got to manhandle it. What's going on, everyone? So I got the lip on the car. I just need to I don't know why I'm losing train of thought, probably because I got up at 5 a.m. this morning to go to the ridiculous car show in cold weather, but I test fit the lip onto the car, got the hole points done. I need to get some new wrap to finish wrapping the bottom section of the car. And I'm about to get this mounted back onto the front of my car so that I can, it can be drivable again. The lip is, it's so-so. It definitely fit better before you actually really did align it the way it needed to be. And one side is actually really good, pretty good. The other side, questionable. So what can you do? I got it for a really good deal. I'm not really complaining. All in all, when it's actually on the car without light shine through, you can't really tell. But as you're test fitting it to the car and you're looking at it, you're like, dang. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up with this, get it on the car, show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully look good, definitely different, but we'll see. So it's hard to tell, like, how aggressive, I guess, it looks. Maybe it's not that aggressive, but it's already almost done. Like, it's been on for 2 weeks. It's already about to break off. Like, I hit another dip. They got the weirdest streets here, so I probably have to get another one at the end of the year. Probably change it up again. Anyways, that's the new lip. Ready?
Full tilt?
Oh, God.
You want me to go full tilt or no?
First no, then yes. Wow. Oh shit. All right, go full. I'm sure.